Walking down the city streets, raindrops on my face, gray clouds above, but my heart's in a sunny place. Lost in the rhythm of the falling rain. When I saw you there, everything changed. You had an umbrella, but I didn't mind getting wet. We laughed and danced as the droplets soaked our clothes. In that moment we connected, it felt so right. A serendipitous encounter on a gloomy night. Our love is like a rainy day melody, playing in my head on repeat. Endlessly the rain washes away all the sorrows and pain. In this empty song of our love in the pouring rain. Our love is like a rainy day melody.
And we're over.
Playing in my head on repeat endlessly. The rain washes away all the sorrows and pain. In this indie song of a love in the pouring rain.